Are you currently experiencing issues where your Hostinger dashboard or website is not responding as it should? Dealing with connection errors or sluggish performance can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you have work to get done. In today's video, I am going to walk you through a complete troubleshooting process to fix Hostinger not responding, covering everything from simple network checks to more advanced browser settings. By the end of this guide, you should have your access fully restored. If this video helps you get back online, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical tips. Let's dive straight into the solutions. The first thing you need to verify is your own internet connection. Sometimes, Hostinger might appear to be down simply because your local network is experiencing a temporary fluctuation. Try loading other websites to see if they behave normally. If they are also slow, your connection might be the culprit. Next, let's clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can become corrupted or outdated, creating a conflict when you try to reach Hostinger services. To do this, go into your browser settings, find your privacy or history section, and clear your cache and cookies specifically for the last few days. Once that is done, refresh the page and try logging in again. If that does not work, it is time to open your site in an incognito or private window. This is a very effective test because it bypasses all your installed extensions and existing stored data. If the site loads perfectly in incognito mode, you have successfully narrowed down the issue to a conflicting extension or a corrupt browsing profile. Now, consider your security software. If you are currently using a VPN or an active proxy, try disabling them completely. Sometimes these tools reroute your traffic through servers that might be blocked by or having trouble connecting to Hostinger's infrastructure. Simply flipping that switch to off can often resolve the issue instantly. Finally, if you are still facing difficulties, let's go for a full reset. Restart your router to refresh your connection with your ISP, and also fully close and restart your web browser. This ensures that any deep-seated background processes that might be hanging are completely cleared out. By following these 5 steps in order, you can almost always fix connection issues with your hosting platform. If you found this troubleshooting guide helpful and it got your site back up and running, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.